So this is the tripod that I use to record. First of all, it comes with this little remote right here. You can connect through Bluetooth and you just click it and it'll start and stop recording or take a picture, whatever it is that you need to do. Then we have this part right here that you can hold and just record however you want to record and hold it, or you can also open this up right here and set it down to however wide you want it, and boom, then you just set it up right there. And this part right here, I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see this part right here. You make it loose and you can tilt it however you want, or you can tilt it down as well if you want to record something pointing down. That's usually how I use it whenever I'm recording my videos. And you can also change this right here if you want it portrait or landscape, however you want to set your phone. This is to loosen it up and then to tighten it down. Very simple, very convenient. And then when you're done, put it back up, loosen this up here, and then boom. And then you're ready for a selfie stick as well. Just make it long and take a picture using it, and then you're good to go.